Hello guys, and welcome to the second video in the How to Origami series. This video will be about bases, which are the main parts, which are basically the bases for origami. This will only cover the simple bases, and there are many others that are not named, but a lot of people still use them in techniques. So I'll just be covering the simple bases in this video, and the ones that are actually some of the ones that are actually named and that people use a lot. Bases are used for the base of an origami. They provide they give you ideas. Sometimes with my origami, they give me ideas on how to create an origami. Say if I want to use a dragon, if I want to make a dragon, I would use a square base because I can create a lot more. I can create a lot more flaps with the square base than I can with any other base. Now that's just because of my skill level, but advanced origamists can do anything with the paper. So the first base is the blitz base, and this one I don't really know what it's for, but people use it a lot and it's named. And basically the blitz base is where please be aware that when I do this blitz base it'll be a little bit weird. That's just because my paper is not good, but it's a blitz base. A blitz base is where you fold all four corners to the middle, and you can do that by folding cross creases along here so that you got a point in the middle. So like this. So now you would fold all four corners to the middle. So there's this base, sorry about that. So there's this base, and this is the blitz base, where all four corners are folded to the middle. As you can see, you now have four flaps that are in a sense independent of the rest. And so that's one of the advantages of using this. Next one is the fish base. In the fish base, you need two diagonals. And what you do is you'll fold this edge to this line. And you'll do the same with the other flap. And you'll unfold both of them. And you'll do the same on the opposite side. So you'll fold on the top or the bottom. You'll fold this edge to this line and this edge to this line. Right, and so now you've got this crease here and this crease here. So you've got this crease right here, and this crease right here, and this crease right here, and this crease right here, there. And so what you'll do is you'll have this end and this end, and you'll pinch them together, and you'll form along these creases so that you've got a diamond shape. And right here where these creases intersect, you'll pinch the diagonal at there, right there. And then you've got your fish base. Now all you need to do is flatten to one side. The fish base allows you to retain a long shape of paper while having 2 extra flaps on the middle. And in origami, flaps are quite important. So while having 2 flaps here, that can be used for a lot of things. So that's your fish base. A kite base is very simple. It's basically where you fold this edge to this crease and that edge to this crease, like this. It's like a half-formed fish. It's like a half-formed fish base, and this is a kite base. That's it. The water bomb base, as many of you might have made, is where you fold this. You valley fold along this crease and this crease and this crease and this crease. So you valley fold along the diagonals and you mountain fold along this half line here. And so you valley fold here like this, valley fold here, which is really a mountain fold, because if I valley fold here, and then I unfold, it's a mountain fold. So it's a mountain fold really. So you valley fold, then mountain fold, then valley fold on this crease, and mountain fold on this crease, and squash along the diagonal. And this is your water bomb base. The water bomb base has a wider area than the square base. I'm pretty sure. I haven't calculated it, but it's got longer flaps than the square base, and can be used for like long-armed stings. The square base is where you rotate the water bomb base 45 degrees, where you start with the diamond, and you mountain fold, you valley fold along the half lines, and mountain fold along the diagonal. So you would valley fold here, mountain fold on this line right here, so mountain fold here, mountain fold on, no sorry, valley fold on this crease right here, this diagonal, mountain fold right here, and squash along this crease and that crease, this crease, this crease, and that crease, like that. And that's your square base. And the square base, as you can see, has shorter flaps. This base can be used for making complicated folds because it's taller. It can allow for more things. Now there's one more base left to go. This is called the bird base. And the bird base comes from the water bomb base. And what you do is you fold this edge to this edge, and only the top flaps, like this. So this edge to this crease, like that. And you do that here also. And you turn over and you do that the same on the other side. And so you've got like a kite base type thing. And what you'll do is you valley fold along this line right here. See where the top of this kite, the top of the folds we just made meet. The line that the folds that we just make. And you valley fold along them. So you valley fold from this point to that point. You unfold and turn over and do the same. So you valley fold from this point to this point. Right, and so you unfold, and you'll unfold everything and just leave the square base. And what you'll do is you will open the top flap and valley fold on this crease, like that. And then you will valley fold here, and here, and here, and here. You will turn over and do the same. So valley fold on this crease, and then valley fold on this crease and that crease, and this crease and that crease. And this is your bird base. The bird base is used for making birds and can also be used for other things, as you have a lot of long tall flaps that can be used for long bodied creatures. The only problem with some of it is that you've got this triangle here, and if you use it wisely it can be an asset, but most of the times in my models it's not. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this. By the end of this series you should know the basics of origami and how to do some of it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll post a tutorial in the next 2 weeks or so. Thanks for watching. Bye.